Welcome back to the channel, y'all. It's your girl Kaylin, and I am on vacation this week. Yes, I am in Orlando, Florida. Really kiss me, Florida. And we just out here enjoying the vibes. And today I will be giving y'all a tour of our vacation home. And yeah. This is the front door. So when you come in, you're already greeted by the doggy. To the left, we have the bowling alley. First bedroom, which is the cheetah room. Super cute. Super cute. I wanted this room, but I just didn't want to be by the front door. I'm sure y'all can understand that. And and then we're coming into the main room, and here's the TV. I love these sofas. Oh my goodness. And then you come out here, and we have the pool area. So cool. Real cool. This is so cute, y'all. I'll definitely be bobbing out here. Oh, I just noticed that it's a whole lake over here. Then you come in here, and then you have the game room. And then here you have the room that I chose, which is the giraffe room. I'm loving this headboard. It's giving queen, princess. Right. And then here's the bathroom. This is actually my first time seeing the bathroom, y'all. Room. Alright, and out here you have a theater room. Loving the ceiling. Here's the screen. There's two other rooms over there. This is the hyena room. Tiger room. Oh, I really like this one. I think I was gonna choose this one too. Oh, look at this one. Nice. It is raining cats and dogs. This is pretty cool. This is my first time seeing this one. super cool. Alright y'all, so if y'all enjoyed that video, give it a thumbs up. And if you are interested in checking out this vacation home, then check the link in my bio and check out that house. Rent out that house. Next time you in Orlando, check it out because it's huge, entertaining, great for the kids, great for the family. And yeah, I'm about to go enjoy my vacation. Just wanted to knock out that tour before all the rooms get messed up. Y'all already know. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos to come. My vlog for this trip about to be lit. You already know. All right, y'all. See y'all in the next video.